this MOU does not mention about ballistic missiles. It was never on the table. It was never on the agenda. And Iranian side never wanted to even discuss about it. So that is not an impression. That is a fact of matter. So there should be no second thoughts about it. It must not be misconstrued, because there are spoilers all over the world to scuttle this peace deal. They don't want Iranian nation, great nation, to come out of this ashes of war and touch the zenith of glory. So I want to make it abundantly clear that ballistic missiles, and of course, there cannot be double standards, two standards, that some countries can have ballistic missiles and Iran shouldn't have. This is simply, you cannot digest this kind of duplicity. So I think I wanted to make it very clear, Excellency, that the MOU, which has been signed by me as a mediator, does not mention about ballistic missiles at all. And that is the stated position. So there should be no confusion about it. Thank you very much.